Hello, I am Pramod Kumar. Today we will study English for class 12, Bihar Board. Our book is Rainbow Part 2 and the poem is Macavity, the Mystery Cat, written by T.S. Eliot. It's a very light and comical poem. You will like it very much. It's a very light poem in the mock heroic vein. Mock means many things are written which are in the way of mocking, and heroic. The main character is a cat which has shown to be very heroic in so many actions. Mock heroic vein. It's a beautiful and charming comic effect of a master criminal. This poem gives a beautiful and charming effect, comic effect, beautiful, charming, comic effect of a mastermind criminal. And who is the mastermind criminal? It's a cat. And the poet has given the name Macavity, right? Macavity is a fictional character, means it's not a real character. It's an imagination of the poet. He has just imagined, it's a fictional. It apparently possesses the mystical powers. It apparently, Macavity, the cat, apparently possesses the mystical powers of levitation. What is levitation? The power of floating in the air. If you go up in the air, if you come down in the air, that is called the power of levitation. So why mystical means? Mystical हिंदी में उसको बोलते हैं रहस्यवादी, means as if some secret is involved in that. Mystical. People are not able to understand it easily, very easily. They find it difficult to understand, as if some secret is there in it. So, it has been shown as possessing mystical power of levitation. Suddenly you find the cat here and suddenly you find it here. And other time you find it here on the shelf and suddenly you find it that it is on the ground. So, the power of levitation. And Macavity has been shown to breaking the law of gravity. Law of gravity, that things will fall down, they will come down. But in case of Macavity, you will find that suddenly it is on the floor and immediately it is, next moment it is sitting on the shelf higher up. So, poets say that it has been, from the poet's view, it also breaks the law of gravity. Then, knowing something more about this poem, before we go to the poem directly, the poet T.S. Eliot was a big fan of the Sherlock Holmes stories. You know detective stories of Sherlock Holmes, written by Arthur Conan Doyle. And the character of Macavity is a literary allusion. Literary allusion to what? To Professor Moriarty. Professor Moriarty. Right? Professor Moriarty, the criminal mastermind in the Sherlock Holmes stories. There is a character, Professor Moriarty. So, he is also a mastermind criminal in Sherlock Holmes stories. So, this Macavity is an allusion. Allusion means indirect or passing reference. Not directly, but by reading this, we can make out that the poet is talking about the mastermind criminal character Professor Moriarty in Sherlock Holmes stories series, right? In this poem, the poet shows that Macavity the cat, it's not an ordinary cat, it's an extraordinary cat due to its qualities, extraordinary qualities. We will see that when we attend the poem. It is an outlaw. Outlaw means it breaks laws of the land. How does one break laws of the land? By indulging into crime, right, which are prohibited by law. So Macavity is an outlaw. It's never there on the crime scene. Crime is committed, police investigation team come to the crime scene, but Macavity is never to be found at the scene of the crime, right? It cannot be found in the basement also. Suppose people think that it's not in the room where the theft was committed, it may be in the hiding in the basement, but it won't be found there also. It's not lazy and half asleep. It's very smart, very agile. It's not lazy and half asleep. Always, when you think it is half asleep, it is fully awake, right? It can be seen in the by street, some very narrow street beside the main street, by street. Sometimes it can be seen in the by street, but never at the scene of the crime. The poet is highly appreciative of the peculiar extraordinary qualities of Macavity, and he is deeply influenced by seeing the qualities of Macavity, right? Qualities and skills, the kind of skills that it has got. Poet compares Macavity to the Napoleon of crime. Poet calls Macavity Napoleon of crime, means a very big, staunch criminal, a mastermind criminal, right? Master of criminals, Napoleon of crime. This poet calls it a mystery cat. Mystery. Why does it call it a mystery cat? Because it commits several crimes, but it is never found at the scene of the crime. Never. Even by chance it is not found. So the poet calls it a mystery cat. It's like a rahasya. And the adjective used for Macavity, the cat in the poem, are ginger cat. Ginger means thin and tall. Ginger, you have seen, na? Thin and tall, ginger cat. Then another one is, its head is like a dome, gumbad. Its head appears to be in the shape of a dome, gumbad. And it's feline. Feline means belonging to the race of the cats. Belonging to the प्रजाति, ओ बिल्ली की प्रजाति से बिलोंग करे उसको फेलाइन बोलते हैं, राइट? So now what we will do, we will directly go to the poem. It's a beautiful comic poem, and it shows the mastery of the poet over his words, his thoughts, how he can make a very ordinary thing like a cat into such a beautiful poem. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. Paw. Cat प्रजाति के इसको paw बोलते हैं. Hidden paw. It is hidden. For he the master criminal who can defy the law. He the master criminal who can defy the law. Defy means to violate. कानून को नहीं मानना, उसके अगेंस्ट में जाना, राइट? डिफाई द लॉ. ही इज द बैफलमेंट ऑफ ए स्कॉटलैंड यार्ड. स्कॉटलैंड यार्ड इज द पुलिस हेडक्वार्टर्स ऑफ लंदन पुलिस. ही इज द बैफलमेंट. बैफलमेंट मतलब bewilderment. Even the police find themselves at their wits' end. अरे क्या करें, they are not able to understand what to do. The flying squads despair. Even if flying squad is deployed, they also come back empty-handed, frustrated, because they don't find him. For when they reach the scene of crime, McAvity is not there. When the investigation team or the flying squad reach there, police reach there, McAvity is not to be found there. McAvity, McAvity, there is no one like McAvity. Poet said, McAvity, McAvity, McAvity के जैसा कोई नहीं है, because McAvity is not an ordinary cat, extraordinary cat with extraordinary skills. He has broken every human law. जितने भी कानून बने हैं सबको उसने तोड़ा है. He breaks the law of gravity. We have discussed. वो suddenly नीचे होगा, next moment you will find ऊपर है. So breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. हम लोग ये जानते हैं कि हमारे जो पुराने जमाने के फकीर हुआ करते थे, उनके पास पावर ऑफ लेविटेशन हुआ करता था. वो हवा में तैर सकते थे, नीचे से ऊपर, ऊपर से नीचे, फ्लोटिंग इन द एयर. ऐसा हम लोग मानते हैं. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. तो एक फकीर भी जो है मैकाविटी के लेविटेशन के पावर को देख के शर्मिंदा हो जाए. मैकाविटी इतना ज्यादा, suddenly मैकाविटी is here, next moment here. This moment it is here, next moment it is here, right? And when you reach the scene of crime, McAvity is not there. Once again, when you reach the scene of the crime, जहाँ पे crime हुआ है, McAvity will not be found. You may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. आप basement में उसको ढूंढ सकते हैं, हवा में ढूंढ सकते हैं, ऊपर. But I tell you once and once again, McAvity is not there. But I can tell you that McAvity is not there. You are looking for McAvity in basement and in the air, but it is not there. McAvity is a ginger cat. Ginger means thin and tall. Ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him. आप अगर उसको देखेंगे तो पहचान जाएंगे. For his eyes are sunken in. आंखें जो हैं धसी हुई हैं. Eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thoughts. His brow is deeply lined with thoughts. जब लोग सोचते हैं तो ब्रो पे जो है लाइंस आ जाते हैं. His head is highly domed. His head looks like as if गुंबद का जो शेप होता है वैसा दिखता है. His coat is dusty from neglect. It appears that the coat of McAvity coat, naturally the hair that McAvity will be having on his body, overall his body, is dusty from neglect. Full of dust from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed, and his whiskers they have not been combed. He sways his head from side to side. He sways his head from side to side with movement like a snake. सांप का जो मूवमेंट होता है उसकी तरह से मैकाविटी द कैट अपने हेड को स्वे करता है फ्रॉम वन साइड टू द अदर. एंड व्हेन यू थिंक ही इज हाफ asleep, he is always wide awake. आप जब सोचेंगे कि वो आधा नींद में है, आधा जगा हुआ है, दैट टाइम मैकाविटी विल बी वाइड अवेक, टोटली जगा होगा वो. मैकाविटी, मैकाविटी, देयर इज नो वन लाइक मैकाविटी. मैकाविटी, मैकाविटी, मैकाविटी के जैसा कोई नहीं है. मैकाविटी इज एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी, नॉट ऑर्डिनरी. फॉर ही इज फिएंड ऑफ फेलाइन शेप. फॉर ही इज फिएंड ऑफ फेलाइन शेप. फिएंड मीन्स एन एविल स्पिरिट, दुष्टात्मा. He is fiend of feline shape, a monster of depravity. A monster of depravity. Depravity means corruption, wickedness, दुष्टता. He is a monster of दुष्टता का वो दानव है, right? You may meet him in a by street. मेन स्ट्रीट के बगल में छोटी छोटी गलियां होती हैं, उसमें आप कभी उसको मिल सकते हैं. You may see him in the square. कभी चौराहे पे भी मिल जाएगा. But when a crime is discovered, then McAvity is not there. लेकिन जब किसी अपराध का पता चलेगा तो अपराध के सीन पे McAvity नहीं होगा. He is outwardly respectable. Outside appearance से दिखता है कि McAvity respectable personality है. What does it mean? McAvity appearance is deceptive. उसको देख देख के लोग धोखा खा सकते हैं, राइट? ही इज आउटवर्डली रेस्पेक्टेबल बट एक्चुअली व्हाट ही इज मास्टर माइंड क्रिमिनल. दे से ही चीट्स एट कार्ड्स. कार्ड के गेम में, पत्तों के खेल में वो चीटिंग करता है. एंड हिज फुटप्रिंट्स आर नॉट फाउंड इन एनी फाइल ऑफ स्कॉटलैंड यार्ड्स. लंदन की जो पुलिस है उसके रिकॉर्ड में उसका कोई जिक्र नहीं है. एंड व्हेन द लार्डर्स इज लूटेड, larder means a small cupboard kind of a thing in which food items are kept, and when the larder is looted or the jewel case is rifled, it appears that somebody has penetrated in the jewel case in which we keep jewels, or when the milk is missing, या दूध जो अपनी जगह पे रखा हुआ था अब नहीं है, or another package being stippled, or the greenhouse glass is broken. greenhouse रहता है पौधों को उगाने के लिए, अगर उसका शीशा टूटा हुआ है. एंड द ट्रेल इज पास्ट रिपेयर. फ्रेमवर्क टू सपोर्ट क्लाइंबिंग प्लांट्स. वो हम क्लाइंबिंग प्लांट के लिए हम लकड़ी का वो बनाते ना, सपोर्ट, अगर वो टूटा हुआ है. ओ देयर इज द वंडर ऑफ द थिंग, मैकाविटी इज नॉट देयर. तो आप समझ जाइए कि मैकाविटी का किया हुआ है, बट ही विल नॉट बी फाउंड देयर. And when the foreign office find a treaty is gone astray, दो देशों के बीच में जो संधि हुई होती है वो फॉरेन ऑफिस में रखी हुई होती है. तो अगर आपको वो फॉरेन ऑफिस में उस संधि की प्रति नहीं मिले, कॉपी, तो आप समझ जाइए कि मैकाविटी ने उसको गायब किया है. और द एडमिरल्टी लूज सम प्लान्स एंड ड्राइंग्स बाय द वे, या सरकार के कुछ प्लान्स, कुछ ड्राइंग्स जो हैं मिसिंग हो. There may be a scrap of paper in the hall or on the stair. ऐसा हो सकता है कि कागज के कुछ टुकड़े हॉल में या सीढ़ी पे बिखरे हुए हों. But it is useless to investigate. लेकिन इन्वेस्टिगेशन करने एकदम बेकार है. क्यों? Because Macavity is not there. The mastermind criminal is never to be found on the crime spot. And when the loss has been disclosed, जब ये पता चल जाता है क्या नुकसान हुआ है, द सीक्रेट सर्विस से, जो गुप्त सेवा है, जो सीक्रेट सर्विस है, वो बोलती है इट मस्ट हैव बीन मैकाविटी. जब नुकसान का पता चल जाता है तो सीक्रेट सर्विस के लोग बोलते हैं वो निश्चित रूप से मैकाविटी ने किया होगा. बट ही इज ए माइल अवे. लेकिन वो कितना दूर चला गया है, नोबडी नोज. यू विल बी श्योर टू फाइंड हिम रेस्टिंग. आप मान के चलिए कि वो कहीं आराम कर रहा होगा. और ए लिकिंग हिज थम्स. और ए लिकिंग हिज थम्स मतलब अपने कारनामों की सफलता पे वो खुशी मना रहा होगा कहीं पे बैठ के. और इंगेज्ड इन डूइंग कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लॉन्ग डिवीजन सम्स, या कहीं कोने में बैठ के बहुत लंबे लंबे और कठिन जोड़ घटाव कर रहा होगा वो. बिकॉज ही इज ए master mind criminal. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. Macavity, Macavity, Macavity के जैसा दूसरा कोई नहीं है. There never was a cat of such deceitfulness. Deceitfulness means धोखा देना, fraud करना, dishonest होना, dishonesty करना. There never was a cat of such deceitfulness and suavity. Suavity means suavity, treachery. He is deceitful but conceals it with great skill and elegance. By appearance, you can never make out that all these crimes would have been committed by Macavity. उसको देखने से बिल्कुल नहीं लगेगा कि उसने ये सब क्राइम किए होंगे. He always has an alibi. उसके पास हमेशा कोई एक्सक्यूज रहता है, हमेशा कोई बहाना होगा. And one or two to spare. आपको कभी भी कुछ भी पूछेंगे वो एक दो बहाना, एक दो एक्सक्यूज आपको पकड़ा देगा. एट वट एवर टाइम द डीड टुक प्लेस, मैकाविटी वॉज नॉट देयर. वो क्राइम चाहे किसी भी समय हुआ हो, सुबह दोपहर शाम रात, मैकाविटी विल नॉट बी देयर. द मास्टर माइंड क्रिमिनल विल नॉट बी देयर. एंड दे से दैट ऑल द कैट्स हुज विकेड डीड्स आर वाइडली नोन. और लोग बोलते हैं कि वो सारी बिल्लियां जिनके दुष्ट कारनामों के बारे में लोग अच्छी तरीके से जानते हैं। तो यहाँ पे पोएट मेंशन करता है मुंगोजेरी, आई माइट मेंशन ग्रिडल बोन, आर नथिंग मोर देन एजेंट्स फॉर द कैट who all the time just controls their operations, the Napoleon of crime। बाकी जो दूसरे कैट्स हैं जिनके बारे में लोग ये जानते हैं कि वो क्रिमिनल माइंडेड हैं, विकिड हैं, दुष्ट हैं अपने कारनामों के लिए, वो सब कुछ भी नहीं है, वो सब मैकाविटी के एजेंट्स जैसे हैं। और उन सब के ऑपरेशंस को, विकिड ऑपरेशंस को कौन कंट्रोल करता है? द नेपोलियन ऑफ क्राइम मीन्स मैकाविटी। उन सब के विकिड ऑपरेशंस का कंट्रोलर है मैकाविटी, राइट? सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द पोएम। वी कैन टेक 2 minutes and finish it off. We will sum up. This is a very light poem written by T.S. Eliot in the mock heroing vein. Mock means mocking tone. You will come across mocking tone in the poem. And heroic, the main character Macavity the cat has been shown as a hero, right? It's a very beautiful, charming and comic effect of a mastermind criminal. And who is the mastermind criminal? It is a cat. The name is Macavity. Macavity is a fictional character. It's not a real character. It's an imagination of the poet's mind. Fictional character. It apparently, Macavity, the cat apparently possesses the mystical powers. Mystical means rahasyavadi, which we are not able to understand. The powers of the mystical cat. Mystical powers of levitation, floating in the air, up and down. Levitation powers Macavity has. As he breaks the law of gravity, Macavity is found to be breaking the law of gravity. Things should be coming down, but Macavity you will find is here and immediately it goes up on the shelf. T.S. Eliot the poet was a big fan of, he was a very big fan of that Sherlock Holmes series of stories written by Arthur Conan Doyle, right? If you read the Sherlock Holmes series, you will find there is a character, Professor Moriarty. He is a mastermind criminal. So when you read this poem and think about that Professor Moriarty in that Sherlock Holmes series, there is an allusion. Allusion means indirect reference, passing reference. You will feel that Macavity and Professor Moriarty, the characters are almost the same. Both are mastermind criminals, never to be found at the scene of the crime, right? Regarding that, in respect of that Macavity the poet, it's not an ordinary cat. Macavity the cat, it's an extraordinary cat with extraordinary skills, extraordinary qualities. It's an outlaw. It breaks laws of the land. Outlaw. It creates crimes. It's never there on the scene of the crime. Howsoever you may be quick to go to the scene of the crime, Macavity will not be there. It will be quicker than you. It cannot be found in the basement. If you think it would be hiding in the basement, you will not find it there. It's not lazy and half asleep. If you think Macavity is lazy and half asleep, the moment you think it is half asleep, आधा सोया है आधा जगा है, you will find that it is wide awake. एकदम पूरा जगा हुआ है, right? It can be seen in the by street. मेन स्ट्रीट के बगल में छोटी छोटी गलियां हैं, कभी कभी आपको उसमें वो मिल जाएगा, right? The poet is highly appreciative of Macavity the cat, and he is very influenced by the skills and the techniques employed by Macavity, qualities of Macavity. Poet compares Macavity to the Napoleon of crime, means mastermind criminal. Nobody is equal to Macavity. This mystery cat, the poet calls it a mystery cat because it commits number of crimes, but is never caught and never found at the crime scene. And whenever you ask something, it will always have ready-made excuses, alibis, ready-made. He will give you one or two excuses whenever you ask anything, right? And the adjective used for the Macavity the cat in the poem are ginger cat means thin and tall, domed, head is shown as domed in the shape of a dome, head of Macavity the cat, and feline, feline means belonging to cat prajati, बिल्ली के प्रजाति से belong करना. I hope you found the poem easy to understand. In case of any difficulty, please do approach me on my email ID, which will be there available at the thumbnail to the video. Thank you very much.